Understanding Row in Circles, a guide to English idioms. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms. Specifically, we'll explore the phrase, row in circles. Idioms are a key part of mastering any language, and English is full of them. So, let's get started and unravel the meaning behind this intriguing expression. The phrase, row in circles, is an idiom that doesn't literally mean to row a boat in circular motion. Instead, it's used metaphorically to describe a situation where someone is making no progress despite putting in a lot of effort. It's like trying hard to move forward, but ending up in the same place. This idiom is often used to express frustration over a lack of progress or the feeling of being stuck in a situation. To better understand this idiom, let's look at some examples. 1. Despite working overtime for weeks, the team was just rowing in circles with the project. 2. I've been trying to solve this math problem for hours, but I feel like I'm just rowing in circles. These examples show how the phrase can be used in different contexts, always highlighting a sense of frustration and lack of advancement. English has several other idioms that convey a similar meaning. These include running in place. This also means making efforts but not progressing. Going around in circles, similar to rowing in circles. This phrase suggests a lack of direction or progress. Understanding these similar phrases can help you expand your English idiom vocabulary and comprehension. And that's a wrap on Row in Circles. Remember, idioms are a fun and essential part of learning English. They add color to the language and often reflect cultural nuances. We hope this video has been enlightening and helps you in your English language journey. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.